Make sure you have a Sitemap.xml on your website. Sitemap.xml is a file that's generated as part of your website that allows Google and other search engines to very easily index your site. And so you can think of it like a table of contents that has basically a link to every page on your site, and it gives some important information like when was the last time this site was updated. And so think about it, if Google's trying to index every website on the planet every night, um, it kind of has to be judicious about what it does. It doesn't want to do the same duplicate replication, exact same thing every single night. So what happens is they can check the sitemap and just update the pages that have been updated, not update every single page on your site every single day. And so it's a really critical thing for Google and for the other search engines to be able to, more quickly index your website. Now, some people say that it doesn't affect your search ranking, but we know it definitely affects your indexing. And pretty much my philosophy is anything that helps Google is going to turn out to be good for you in the long run. So don't neglect your sitemap.xml. There's a few places you can go on the web where you can actually go try to find your sitemap.xml if you can't find it, but usually it's just your website domain /sitemap.xml, and that will usually get you there if there is one. Especially when you first take your website live, it's critical to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Google Search Console is Google's tool for basically managing what it indexes on the web. And so one of the first things you can do is get your Google Search Console account and submit your sitemap to it, and it'll help. So go check and see if you've got your sitemap.xml. If you've got a content management system such as WordPress or Drupal, there's tools to do this. So on Drupal, you've got your, I believe it's just called sitemap.xml module. And then on WordPress, there's a bunch of different things that can do it. The most popular, the one that we use, is called Yoast SEO, and it includes the ability to automatically, basically, it will generate that sitemap for you. So we're going to include a couple articles that will help you to go find your sitemap if you can't find it, and also just kind of an overview from Google on what a sitemap is, how it works, and how it can benefit you.